from Sam Gaming YouTube channel. So guys, today we will play ranked game with Shomurup, and today from this day onwards we will try to get to the heroic rank. Guys, I've never gone to the heroic rank, so I will try to go to the heroic rank. We will do as much push as we can do. So guys, stay tuned to on our series how going to heroic. So guys, I will make a series of going to heroic. So guys, stay tuned, and guys, let's see if we can do a booyah in here. How is my idea, Shomurup, of making a series?
Good.
Heroic rank push series.
Yes.
And guys, there will be only one video each day, and the video will either come 5:30 to 6 p.m. guys. Okay, will be
Which video?
the everyday videos.
Okay.
Let's go to Keraton because that is the very uncommon place. And you know how to rank push. Shomurup, you know how to rank push.
I know.
Stay to the zones. Stay to the edges of zones. Okay. Hello?
But we don't have K character. If you have K character, we can do rank 2s very nicely.
I do not need to do K character. Just follow me and you will do good rank push. Go to Cape Town.
I see a gun. Please do not take that gun.
Okay. I will not. I have all.
got Freaka Cruel.
I didn't get anything.
I got AK.
Let me go and take a gun from Cape Town with a guard.
Let's go to Cape Town.
This card skin is very OP. Please let me take a card. I do not. I mean gun. I do not have any guns.
Yes, take gun.
There is no guns here.
Nobody in Cape Town. We can loot so much.
I have only
Loot
mini.
nicely.
I have only mini Uzi. Let me take one gun. I don't have any gun. I do only have mini Uzi.
I got 4 tokens.
I got 1 token.
There is katana.
Why is there no gun? Ah, at last I got 1 gun, and that is also AC-80.
I got forescope.
I got thermal scope.
Can you give me SC80?
What will you give me?
I will give you AK and forescope.
I do not. Oh yes. You take AC-80. Come.
Give. But I will not give you ammo.
Then get out.
Okay, I will give you ammo.
No.
You have to give me ammo of SC80 also.
No. I do not want AK. Leave it. I do not want AK. AK is 30 gun.
So, but I will give you forescope.
I do not want AK.
I do not get any gun except AK in here.
I also didn't get any gun. Oh, I get a VSS, but not X also. There is a normal VSS. Normal VSS is 30.
Here is only level 1 back.
Yes, I didn't get anything. Cape Town is very 30 place. But we have to stay in Cape Town to do our rank push. We have to move along.
I got best HP booster.
I do not want. That is a very bad. No, that is not very bad. That is good actually.
My game is too much laggy.
Yes, let's go.
My game has been crashed.
Your game has crashed.
No, my game has not crashed till now. Later it can be crashed when enemies can come.
Let me buy a bag and glue wall.
I have glue wall.
Hurry.
I got an M4A1.
Enemy, come.
You can kill him.
Yes. Hurry, there is an enemy in front.
Run.
Hurry, I have killed him. What run?
Give me revive.
Wait, first I will loot.
Later you loot. I don't have medikit. Give me a medikit.
I have only 1 medikit.
Give me that only.
No. There is many medikits here. I have got. There is a woodpecker.
Oh, give me the woodpecker.
Here in this loot box. You want medikit?
No, I got medikit.
Do a medi
But
then.
I need some SMG ammo.
You want bag level 2, 3?
No, I want 2.
Are you want bag level 3? Yes or no?
Yes.
Take it.
Thank you. You are my only best friend. Can you give me some SMG ammo?
1 second here, take.
You are my best friend in the world.
Very good. Now, how many glue walls you have?
I have 0.
Then take glue walls. Say truly, because do not say lies. If you do not,
I am not telling. I have 0.
if you tell me lies, then there's SMG ammo here. Come,
Where are you?
come.
Give me a glue wall. No, I don't have glue wall.
You do not? You have 0 glue walls.
Yes, 0.
So take 3 glue walls from me.
You are my best friend.
Are
Thank you.
I am giving
And
you.
my game has been crashed. Let me online again.
Are the zone is coming.
Please revive me if I die.
Are go. Okay, I am leaving medikits around you. Okay, then you can heal.
Okay, thank you.
I will.
You are best friend in the world.
I have left 3 medikits around you. You can heal then.
Okay. Let me eat the chicken first.
What?
Today I will eat mutton biryani and fish fry, guys.
Eat. Today I will eat chicken pakoda. And home. Hey, do you like homemade chicken pakoda?
Very, very much. But my mother don't know to make.
Or street food chicken pakoda. I do not like street food chicken pakoda. That is very gross.
But you know, my mother makes for me chicken resmi kebab.
My mother knows how to make pakodas and they are very tasty. Actually. Okay.
Can I send you an order video?
No, you cannot. I have left medikits around you. Okay, then you can heal very fast. Okay.
Okay, zone has come.
Zone, yes, zone is shrinking. I am going to the edge of the zone. Okay. And do not go to revival zones. If you go to revival zones, 90% everyone will kill you if you go to revival zones.
I know.
That is another tip of. Okay, now I will stay in the edges of the zone. This is the edge of the zone.
I will also stay in the edge of the zone.
Will I come to pick you up or you can come?
Wait for me sometime.
You are in safe zone. You heal with the medikit I gave you.
Okay.
Wait, I am coming to pick you up.
But now the zone will not give too much damage.
Wait, but still I am coming to pick you up. I have a bike, Venom motorbike.
Venom.
Venom is coming to save you.
But Venom is an enemy. Is Iron Man enemy?
No, not Iron Man, Spider-Man's enemy.
Who's enemy? Iron Spider. Please pick me.
Coming. Do a medikit. I gave you many medikits. Come.
Let me use inhaler.
Come. You use a medikit. Let's
go.
Yes, we are going. See how good friend I am. I came to save you.
Yes. And
Now we will go to.
Stay in the edges of the zone.
Yes, now I will go to the edge of the zone. Wait, first we have to find medikits.
Yes.
And
I want some SMG ammo also. I don't have too much SMG ammo.
and listen, you take what?
Here is medikit.
Take. I have 0 medikits. So can you give one?
Okay, I'm giving you one. I have 5 medikits. I'm giving you 2.
Give 2. Give.
Give, I have given.
Where? Oh, I have got. Let's
Come,
go.
let's go fast.
Do not stay in the zone, okay? Come.
Come, let's go.
So guys, today's like target will be 20 likes. 15, yes. 15 likes, guys. Please do 15 likes and guys.
No. Today's like target will be chicken leg piece.
What?
Yes.
Let's stay here.
Okay, let's stay here.
This is almost the edge of the zone. And let me do a medikit.
grenade in let me do a cook grenade.
You take a grenade. Okay, you take grenades.
I have one grenade.
Oh, I can deploy my airdrop. Will I deploy my airdrop?
Deploy your airdrop. Call your airdrop.
Okay, I'm deploying. Okay.
SVD, give me the SVD.
No, no, that is my airdrop. I will give you AC-80.
Okay, then give me that one.
Wait,
But there is another dog. I am going to that airdrop.
yes, if you find AWM, give it to me.
And if you find SVD, you give me.
Okay. Chances are there that there
There
will.
is 2 enemies. Please come fast.
What? Why did you go
There is
there?
no enemy. Here is no enemy. I am just looking.
There is
There
AWM.
is Groza.
There is no AWM.
There is Groza.
Only
I
Groza.
have taken Groza. I will not use Woodpecker. Did you know Woodpecker is giving us too low damage?
Yes, I know. See where the safe zone is. See, I have marked the
Another
safe zone.
The last safe zone will be in Clock Tower.
Wait, let me first take. Enemy!
Where is?
He has given me a lot of damage. 2 enemies.
My
Come.
helmet is fully damaged.
One knock. Give me revive.
There is another enemy coming.
I have no medikit. Give me a medikit.
Please come with me fast.
Give me a medikit.
Take one medikit.
Give. Where are you?
I've given you.
Where are you? Oh.
I had leave here. Come fast.
Give.
I'll give.
Are
No, I'll
give.
not give it.
Are give fast.
My game is too much lagging. I can't do nothing.
Are give.
Please, I'll give it.
Thank you.
My game is too much lagging, you know.
My airdrop is wasted. Nothing to do. Come. And try to third party. You know how to do third party.
Yes, I know.
So let's go. I am follow. Hey, can you come here 1 second? Take the treatment sniper and heal me. Wait, I am coming upstairs. Wait. Hello?
Hello, come.
Yes,
fast,
I am
come fast.
coming. You heal me and then I will heal you. Come, heal me. Damn, done. Now give me that. Give. Take. Let's go now. You
But
take.
that would make a repair kit gun also.
Hurry. Come here. Hurry. Shit.
I'm running.
Yes, you run. You run with the zip line. There is only the enemy. The enemy is there only. Why didn't you take Wukong?
I don't have Wukong.
Why didn't you take Wukong? I'm saying you that only. Oh, there he is. There he is. Nothing will happen.
He will run.
Yes, he will. Oh, there is a. Yes. Rush.
A lot of damage.
Guys,
Wow.
Guys,
I
we-
did not die. I should take Woodpecker only.
guys, we died. Bad end. So, guys,
How is this much damage?
I do not know. He was wearing a level 4 vest.
Yes, that's right.
So guys, I had paused the video there, very sorry, but my mom was calling for me. So guys, meeting you in the next video. For until then, goodbye and stay safe, guys.
Wait, don't end the video. Don't end the video.
What?
Please go. Let's go to the training ground now.
No more training out. I cannot do that much editing. I was exhausted yesterday.
Okay, so bye.
So guys, meeting you in the next video. Until then, goodbye. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe, those who haven't subscribed yet. So guys, meeting you in the next video. For until then, goodbye.